Have you ever asked an AI a question, and the answer was technically correct, but not useful for your situation? That usually means the AI didn't have enough context. A context prompt is when you add background information before your request. You don't just say what you want, you also explain the situation, the goal, and what matters most. Context prompts make the AI more accurate, more relevant, and less generic. Instruction prompt equals what to do. Role prompt equals who to be. Context prompt equals what the AI needs to know first. Before, write a marketing plan for my business. After, I run a small bakery in a local neighborhood. My budget is $300 per month. My goal is 20% more orders in 30 days. My best sellers are cupcakes and cookies. Create a 30-day marketing plan with weekly actions and simple metrics. Here are real context prompt examples. All of the examples below can be used with slight modifications based on your field and job. I'm a beginner guitarist. I can practice 20 minutes a day. My goal is to play a simple pop song in 30 days. Create a weekly practice plan with specific exercises. Or, I'm writing a YouTube script for beginners. The video must be 2 minutes. Tone, friendly. Topic, role prompt versus context prompt. Give me a structured script with a hook, examples, and a CTA. Other examples. I'm studying for a physics exam. I understand formulas but struggle with word problems. Explain how to approach kinematics word problems and give 5 practice questions with answers. Or about choosing a job. I'm comparing 2 job offers. Offer A is higher pay but longer commute. Offer B is lower pay but remote. My priority is work-life balance. Create a comparison table and recommend one based on my priorities. Template, context, background, goal, what I want, constraints, time, budget, limits, output, format.
In the next section, I will teach conditional adverbs. Together we will travel to the world of artificial intelligence and make the best memories. Subscribe for more AI prompt tutorials. Like the video and leave a comment to support the channel.